So in the last activity, you made a bunch of views. You used the views to fulfill your model to kind of flesh it out. So there was the floor plan view, the roof plan. Then I know that you also got like some of these cool extra views made here. And we didn't even really look at them, but there's some nice elevation views that have come out of this too. And we can talk about that in other classes. That's not about the subject for this class. But there are some other things like door schedules, which we can go over at the end, and these window schedules, there's reports. But let's look and see what happens. There are some document sheets that are preset, and let's review them. There's a cover page. That's very typical of a cover page. It's got a project title, a sheet list, and something that says about where this is. So that's in the workspace. There's something that says about the project. You know, this is for a different one. You're going to have to change that. And over in the title block, it calls out for the cover page, a sheet number, and then a bunch of other information. And so that all needs to get fixed up for this project. You'll see a floor plan view and schedules where the floor plan view just showed up here. I have it set up so that it just shows up, and the door schedule and window schedule also just show up on this sheet. There's a roof plan that shows up, the elevations show up, and the perspective views. And this is very typical where the project lead will set up where they want the views and what views should be seen, and the designer works in the model views and then just double checks to make sure that everything is correct. So that's sort of an overview for you of a very typical, very small design set. A cover page with information about the project itself, floor plan and schedules for windows, doors, things like that, a roof plan, elevations, and perspective views. And notice that you didn't have to actually create or draw any of these. With proper setup of the floor plan, this lets you just model it and it shows up. Same with the roof plan. These views that you see here and your elevations or even section views, which we're not showing on here. So there you go. There's a overview of the document sheets that we're going to work with. Cover page, floor plan and schedules, roof plan, elevations, perspective views.